शुभोदय एवरीवन। आज हम थोड़ा सा नेति के बारे में आपको बताएंगे। ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये नेति पॉट है। ये नेति पॉट आपको मिल जाएगा आराम से ऑनलाइन या किसी भी स्टोर पे। यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है, नेति पॉट साफ़ होना चाहिए। इसमें जो भी हम जल डालेंगे वो जल जो है वो आपके शरीर के तापमान का होना चाहिए, ना बहुत ठंडा ना बहुत गर्म। और इसमें हम थोड़ा सा सेंधा नमक, पिंच ऑफ रॉक सॉल्ट, पिंक सॉल्ट we will put in this, that is important here। और what happens is जब हम ये पूरा अपना नेति का हमने तैयारी कर ली, इसके बाद आपको अपनी नासिका चेक करनी है। ये देखना है कौन सी नासिका आपकी ज़्यादा चल रही है। इफ़ लेफ्ट nostril is flowing more, start from left, that is water will come out from left। if right nostril is flowing more, then the water will come out from the left। that is the selection you have to check according to your nasal passage flow, first thing। then second thing is, so jalaneti is first we will do, then we will do sutraneti, that is this we use catheter। if you are a beginner you should use the 2 mm or 3 mm, it is mentioned there, a catheter, where you will, what you will do is you will insert the catheter from the side where there is, see one side is open like this, you can see. This side will not insert from this side, will insert from the other side where there is small hole, you can see there is small hole and it is closed from the front, so this we will use। so this catheter will use for neti, sutra neti, and will use proper boiled and cooled down at the room temperature jal for the jalaneti, that is important here। and what are the benefits here? See, this jalaneti can be done daily if you have like allergy problems, so most of the allergy problem go when we do this jalaneti। your cough problems, blocking of the nose, sinus problem, any rhinitis problem, any problem related to nasal passage will automatically, and it will be cured if we practice this jalaneti daily। then one more thing is acclimatization, how this helps in what you call allergies। so it makes your nasal passage, because our nasal passage is very sensitive, and if you are very sensitive, small amount of dust, small pollen and all, they will make the allergy, they will cause the allergy in you। but if we do this jalaneti, this all allergies will go, because there will be acclimatization of the passage nicely, and it can withstand the changes easily। okay, so we'll start with the first, that is my left nostril is comparatively, both the nostrils are open, but left nostril is comparatively more open at present movement, so I will start from the right। I will place the pot, see this is the pot, opening of the pot properly into the nasal passage like this। okay, now very slowly bend forward and open your mouth, so inhalation, exhalation both will be through the mouth only, your nose will not work here। open your mouth and just tilt। so what we are doing here is, water is automatically going to the left side through the gravity। now very slowly release the extra water in the form of Kapalabhati, like and remove the excess water from the nostril। so same way you can do from the right nostril, we did from the left nostril, same you can practice from the left nostril। So this is the catheter I showed you earlier. In this catheter, if you want to do Sutra Neti and Jal Neti, take care that you put this. I have kept a badam oil, pure badam oil, cold pressed one, and this oil you should put 5 drops right nostril, 5 drops left nostril before you go to sleep a day before. Okay, so a day last night you should put, and then morning empty stomach. It's very important that you should not have anything in your stomach when you are doing Sutra Neti or Jal Neti. It should be early morning, empty stomach. Now, so when we put the oil to the nostrils, what happens is your nasal delicate portions, inner lining gets lubricated. Okay, so that lubrication is important so that there is free flow of this sutra inside the nasal tract. So when you start this also, we need to lubricate this. So this end which is closed, and one you can see there is one opening, small opening, okay, at the side. From this end we will start the neti. So we will lubricate this catheter with the oil. So it's important to lubricate the catheter with the oil. Now lubricate it and sterilize it. See, this is also important, because sterilization and the clean, this should be clean, properly clean. Okay. Now very smoothly, if you don't have confidence, then you should do in assistance with some who already know about this Sutra Neti, who is practitioner. Okay, don't do alone if you don't have confidence.
Very slowly you should move inside and outside the catheter. Very slowly, and open your mouth properly. Don't hurry. Very slowly remove the catheter from your mouth.
So this way we will do this neti, that is Sutra Neti. You have to be very careful here while you are inserting. Say you may have, how you can see, I have little tears in my eyes. And what happens is, you may also, because if you are doing first time, you may have vomiting sensation, because that's anything which inserts and goes into the mouth, your body will start rejecting that. So that should not happen. That's why I told, don't eat anything when you are doing. Even you should, your stomach should not have water also. So if there is nothing inside, the vomiting sensation will be less. And even though if you have that vomiting sensation, because you don't have anything in your stomach, nothing will come out. Very careful. Some of you, if like you are doing first time, then you may have that irritation of sort of thing. So you have to overcome that irritation sort of thing. And one more thing, same thing, what I did from the left nostril, same thing you should do from the right nostril, same way. And after doing this, again the precaution you need to take is this. You can see what oil, just lean little back and put the oil, 5 drops to both the nostrils. Drop to both the nostrils, and inhale a bit. That's it. So here what we need to do is, we need to lubricate our nasal passage again. Same benefits of Jal Neti. Those who have always congestions, nasal passage blockage, for them it is like a Ramband. It makes your nasal passages, sinus problem, allergic problem, cough cold problem, any blocking of the nostril because of anything. And then acclimatization, I told you, accommodates automatically according to the changing, varying atmosphere conditions. Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take precautions, try it, and give me the feedbacks. Thank you.